Today we're going to be celebrating the fact that this channel just hit 20,000 subscribers. If this interests you, stick around. Hi, I'm Veronica and welcome back to the Wholeness Shift. If this is your first time here, welcome. It's nice to meet you. And you showed up at a really great time because we are celebrating the fact that I just hit 20,000 subscribers, and we're going to celebrate that with a giveaway and some discounts and stuff like that. So stay tuned if you are interested in that. On this channel, I help people navigate their spiritual awakening. I help teach about easy, practical spirituality. We talk about all the cool metaphysical stuff you'd want to talk about, aliens and law of attraction and just all of it. We talk about all of the things. So if this interests you, hit the subscribe button below because I wouldn't want you to miss out on anything good. And if you think someone else would be interested in this, share this channel or share this video with them. You guys, we hit 20,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. I know that I've shared this on social media and everything, so you guys probably already know, and I've mentioned it in a couple other videos, but this is officially announcing that we've hit 20,000 subscribers, and I'm so grateful, and I'm so excited, and I'm so proud of how hard I've worked, and I'm so proud of everybody who's willing to embrace their spiritual awakening and to go down this path. I'm so proud of you, and I'm so proud of me, and I'm so grateful for the growth and the progress that I've seen this year. So 20,000 subscribers, you guys. Let's see, I started this channel in February of 2019. Why did my lipstick look so crappy? Hi, I'm Veronica and welcome to the Wholeness Shift. And so it's not quite 3 years, a little over 2.5 years. And boy, has it been a journey. And you know what? Going back to look at those very first videos, oh my goodness. I watch some of those videos. Sometimes I'll take a peek at them and I cringe. So some of them are so bad that I've now made them private. And some of them, many of them are still up. But for all the people who watch them, thank you for watching them, because I was starting from scratch. I had never filmed myself. I had never edited a video. I had no idea anything about sound or lighting or editing, just none of it. And so those first videos, some of them are awful. The content is good. They give good value, but the audio, visual, and the editing leaves a little to be desired. So for all of you who have stuck by me, I appreciate you. I'm so grateful for the grace and the love that you've shown me over this learning process, because I have so much to share, but I am a lone soldier, and so I was doing all the moving pieces parts by myself, and I think every time I make a video, I still learn more and more. I'm figuring it out. So anyways, we've come a long way. So something that I've never really shared with anybody other than Fred and maybe my kids is that I am a firm believer, and this is going to sound crazy, but bear with me because, you know, that's all right. We talk about stuff like this on this channel. That's what it's all about. But back in the first several months that I had this channel, you know, I was starting from 0 subscribers, and so I was not monetized yet, and I wasn't getting the word out. My channel wasn't spreading because nobody knew about it, right? And so there came a point in time where just talking about this makes me want to start crying again. I'm still so emotional about this because I love her so much. But there came a point in time where Beth Chapman, the wife of Dog the Bounty Hunter, had passed away. And perhaps you've seen that video that I made on I was just in my feels. I was in my feels about Beth dying, and I wanted to just share my heart. Reel it in, girl. Reel it in. I wanted to share my heart about how she had impacted my life. And in the video, I talk about how I had to record that over a couple different times because I was so emotional, I couldn't actually get the words out. I couldn't film. I just sat there and cried. So during one of those times, I actually just started talking to her. I called on her and I talked to her, and she showed up. She showed up in a big way. And yeah, thank you, Beth. I feel you now. Love you, sister. And that's what she said when she showed up the first time. She's like, love you, sister. You got this. Women helping women. You got this. And I could hear her saying it, and I could feel the love from her just pouring on me. And I made the video. I posted it. I expected it to just fall by the wayside because I didn't think anybody else would even care about that one. But I had asked Beth during that, I said, there has to be someone else out there who feels the same way I feel, that you touched the same way you touched me. And if you could just help me get this video to them, because maybe something I'm going to say will resonate with them. And if I can help somebody, would you please help me get this video to your people? And she was like, you got it. Women helping women. Sisters helping sisters. You got it, sister. Love you. And she did. And that day, I remember like every 5 or 10 minutes, I was sending Fred another screenshot of my subscribers. They were just going. Within like an hour or an hour and a half, I had already gotten enough subscribers to get monetized. It can take a long time to get that many. And I got that many in like an hour and a half. And that video really resonated with people. And that video to this day is my most popular video. It's even above my one pendulum video. So that is my most watched video of all time. And people really resonated with that because they love her. But I don't just think that it's the subject, that it's the topic. I mean, yes, she's beloved, but I firmly, firmly, firmly believe that she was behind it, pushing it, and she blessed it and like got it out there, that she helped me get this channel on the radar. And so you'll never convince me otherwise. I believe it. And I think if we could talk to her right now, I think she would just be like, it's the least I could do. So anyways, shout out to Beth for helping to grow this channel and to get it on the radar so that we can get this good, loving, evolved kindness revolution on the radar, that I can be of service in any way that I can to this world that is awakening at a rate that we've never seen before. So I just thought I'd share that. What I'm thinking, I was racking my brain, like, what can we do? What can we do to help celebrate? How do we celebrate 20,000 people? That's exciting. I get messages often from people who would love to have a coaching session with me, but can't afford it. And so I think that for every 10,000 people we get, I will have one free coaching session. So like this is 20,000. So I'm going to give away 2 free coaching sessions with me. You need to be subscribed to my channel on Instagram at the Wholeness Shift. And I want you to find the post for this video. I want you to like it. I want you to leave me a comment. And I want you to tag someone else that would be interested in this kind of content in your comment. The other thing that I'm going to do is that until the end of the year, until New Year's of 2022, I am going to be offering all of my coaching sessions for only $99. So that's not quite half off, but it's just about half off. So anyways, if you've been thinking about getting a coaching session, now's the time, because they are going to be marked down probably more than they ever will be in the future. So I'm giving away 2 free ones, and then all the rest of them are marked down to only $99 until the end of the year to celebrate hitting 20,000 subscribers. So, and if you guys have any other ideas for ways that you would want to celebrate, would you want something from my shop? Would you, like for the next time we hit, would you want something from the shop? Would you just want like a big live event? Like, what do you want? Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want, boo. What you want? All right. Let me know your thoughts. Come celebrate with me. Leave me lots of comments. Leave me lots of love. I love you all. Until next time.